Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we will look at how you can chin mount your action camera onto your Vega helmet. This is my Vega helmet. I got this about a couple of years back. It's a pretty sturdy, very good helmet. This is actually the Crux model. The Crux model, difference between this helmet and the other Vega helmets is that the Crux model lets you open up your front visor like this. The other helmets are pretty fixed, so this one allows you to open up your front visor. So let's get started. So what you will need for this is obviously your action camera. You will need this bracket that comes along with all of the action cameras that you get these days. So this is the bracket that you will need. You actually don't need this piece, you just need this one. So what you will need to do is you will need to get a screw. This is a 5 mm screw. This is available in just about every hardware store. When you get the screw, what you will need to do is take your bracket with you, and when try and fix it, it'll have to go through the groove, the screw groove that is on the bracket. If it is slightly bigger in length, it is fine. I found it pretty hard to find something that is of this size, but this was actually quite large, just about this place, and I used a hacksaw blade to cut it off to this size. So this is approximately 2 centimeters, between 1.5 and 2 centimeters. So get a screw, 3 mm or 5 mm screw. I'm not pretty sure. I believe it is a 5 mm screw. So get one of these. So remember that the screw must fix or turn into the groove of the bracket, otherwise it will be completely useless. Next, what you will have to do is use a screwdriver and make a hole at this point. Make a hole exactly where these two things meet at the bottom. I made a slight mistake here. I put it just a little bit up, so there was a problem. I'll tell you what the problem is once we are done with the mounting. So what you will need to do is put a hole where these 2 points meet. That should be somewhere around here. So how you can make the hole? Pretty simple. If you have a driller, use a driller and make a hole, or heat up a screwdriver and just stick it here and kind of turn it. It'll help you make this hole here. Once you do that, take your screw and push it in from behind so that it gets here. Once done, mount this bracket onto this. Don't tighten it fully, tighten it just a bit that is required. When you're done with that, take your action camera, which is inside your waterproof casing. You don't need that. Fix it here and tighten your screw. Hold on just a second.
Not sure why this thing is acting up right now, but
you just have to get the groove right and tighten it completely. till the very end. So your camera is now actually safe. Then what you need to do is take your screwdriver and now tighten it. So once you tighten it, it's pretty firm, does not move. So the problem I told you earlier, because of the hole that I made, is that this thing does not seem to move freely. The air vent, that is because of the hole that I made. If you had made it just a little bit lower, this movement would have been much more free than what it is right now. So that is pretty much how you mount your action camera on the Vega Crux helmet. Go ahead and try it. Pretty simple method, works well. There are videos that I have posted on my channel using this chin mount on the Pluto Plus action camera. The review for the action camera, the Pluto Plus Pro 4 action camera, is also available on my channel. Check it out. If you like the video, please subscribe, share it with those whom you feel this would be useful. This is not just for the Pluto Plus. Just about any action camera that comes these days can be chin mounted the same way on the Vega Crux helmet. So like I said, if you like the video, please subscribe, share it with people whom you feel this would be useful for them. Click the thumbs up button for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Peace out.